These are Sm'Oreos. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's s'more Oreos. Are they going to be better than the Post Malones? Probably not. Post Malones are the GOAT Oreos. They smell good. Ooh. Got little chocolate cream and marshmallow cream, and that's a graham cookie. There you go. They did a pretty good job of filling these up with the cream. Let's give it a little run. Are they better than Post Malone's? No. But these are pretty damn good. Damn. What's up with this one? Damn. This one I got. Man, I want my money back, man. That's BS. Let's see. For Oreos, Sm'Oreos, I'm going to give these joints 8 out of 10.